In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently move issues in Jira step by step. Whether you're transitioning between projects or simply reorganizing your tasks, understanding how to navigate Jira and move issues seamlessly is a valuable skill. Let's walk through the process together. To begin, open Jira using Chrome or your preferred web browser and log into your account. It's essential to start from the main dashboard as this sets the stage for everything you're about to do. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head over to the issue search. This is a powerful feature that allows you to manage your tasks effectively. From the main toolbar within Jira, click on Filters, then navigate to Advanced Issue Search, which might sometimes be labeled simply as Search Issues. This area provides you with a comprehensive view of all your tasks and issues, making it a perfect place to start. Here, you can begin identifying the specific issues you wish to move by using the checkboxes located next to each issue. If you have a long list and want to streamline your selection, take advantage of the filtering options available. These filters help narrow your results based on specific criteria, which is crucial for maintaining focus and ensuring that only the relevant issues are considered for the move. Once you've selected your desired issues, look to the upper right corner for the More menu, which is often represented by 3 dots. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down where you'll find the option for bulk change all X issues. This function is especially handy when dealing with multiple issues as it allows you to execute moves efficiently without having to manage each issue individually. After selecting the bulk change option, you'll need to choose Move Issues from the list of bulk operations. This is the central action you'll be undertaking. Once you've clicked on it, go ahead and click Next to proceed. At this point, it's time to decide on the destination for your issues. You can choose a new project or an alternative issue type within the same project depending on your specific requirements. During this step, you'll also have the opportunity to update any issue types, fields, or workflows if needed. Making adjustments here ensures that the issues fit seamlessly into their new context within your intended project. Before finalizing, take a moment to review the summary of all the changes you've made. This is your last chance to verify that everything is in order. Once you're confident about your selections and changes, click Confirm to officially move all your selected issues. And there you have it. You've successfully moved issues within Jira. This process, once mastered, will significantly enhance your project management capabilities, allowing you to maintain an organized, efficient workflow. Thanks for joining me as we explored this crucial functionality in Jira. Keep practicing, and I look forward to seeing you in the next session.